Perceive means to understand, notice, or see something using your senses or your mind. In simple words, perceive equals understand or notice. What does perceive mean in daily life? We perceive things when we see something, hear something, feel something, understand a situation. Perception can be different for different people. Very easy examples. I perceive a change in his behavior. I notice it. She perceived the sound as a warning. She understood it. More simple sentences. People perceive colors differently. He perceived danger and ran away. Children perceive the world with curiosity. Daily life situations. Students perceive lessons in different ways. Customers perceive quality from packaging. People perceive news based on their beliefs. Student-friendly sentence. I perceive the teacher's message clearly. Important point to remember. Perceive is about understanding or noticing, not just seeing. Easy memory tip. Perceive equals notice and understand.